the story.
I participated in
Ship for World Youth. My friends and family
Asked me what I did there.
And what is SWY?
I will be brief.
If I manage to.
I visited the beautiful country of Japan.
I ate takoyaki.
Sushi!
And ramen. I experienced the real life
Of a Japanese family.
During my homestay in Tokushima.
Osaka!
Mie.
Miyagi.
Miyazaki!
I departed with Nippon Maru cruise ship.
From the port of Yokohama.
I had a first stop.
In Okinawa.
I had karate lessons.
I visited
The local food market. Inside the ship, I attended many activities.
Various committee meetings. On advertisement.
For our call events.
And a skills seminar.
We had course discussions on
Soft power and youth diplomacy.
Global citizenship.
education to make a peaceful world,
Information and media.
empowerment, global health,
International cooperation.
I and my fellow delegates held peer learning seminars.
And lab activity.
To share valuable skills.
And also teach us part of their culture.
Dances.
music.
And languages.
In between, I swam in tropical Palau.
I saw corals.
I attended the national presentations of
Japan.
Turkey!
Australia.
United Arab Emirates.
Greece.
Ecuador! Chile! Tanzania! Vanuatu!
Solomon Islands.
Sweden,
and felt the vibe of the culture.
I attended panel discussions.
On human rights and culture.
And environmental issues.
At Darwin University of Australia.
I learned about indigenous people. I got interviewed by the Aboriginal communities radio. Attended a leadership workshop held by local youth.
I swam next to a crocodile.
Then I ate one.
A different one.
I drank tea with the governor of Queensland in Brisbane.
I was trained by the life-saving community of Brisbane.
And surf the waves.
My next stop was I swam next to a shipwreck.
I ate fresh foods from local market.
I felt very welcomed by locals.
And what about my feelings?
I had the seminar for the first time.
In front of 250 people.
Now I feel more confident.
And empowered.
as a reader,
I got
different perspectives on other people's cultures,
daily life,
Religions.
education.
Values and ethics.
Relationships.
I created newspaper.
I suffered influenza.
I didn't.
I can eat with chopsticks now. All right.
I have tried so many national recipes.
We drank sake. A lot.
I jumped the equator.
I felt seasick.
Homesick.
Lovesick.
I had great cabin mates.
Though I have to change them once.
And find the new.
Also, great ones.
I survived 50 days with no internet.
And I like it.
I spent time at the pool.
At the deck. And what did I see there? Sunrises.
Sunsets.
50 shades of blue.
Sky full of stars.
Orcas and dolphins.
Sugoi!
I hugged many people.
I listened to them.
Understood them.
I got the meaning of
Leadership.
Sustainability.
And
cross-cultural understanding.
I hope that
We can shape
A better world.
This is why.
This is SWY!
This is why!
This is why.
This is why.
This is why.
This is why.